everyone, this is an Evva Thumbturn Euro. It's 5 pins, quite an interesting bit in there. What works very nicely. It's a reverse profile. Fortunately our pry bar fits quite nicely in the normal way. Start at the front. Little click out pin 1 and 2. Click up to pin 5. Click out of him. Pin 3, bit of counter rotation. To the front again. So yeah, false set. Pin 4 seems to be a spool. Pin 6 again. I think it was pin 4. You can get on him properly. That's it. And it's open. Yeah, probably 2 or 3 spools in there, I reckon. And a good fun pick. Yeah, nice feedback in that.